Yeah. So I mean, we're kind of we have this this thing where a lot of times the tax election is conflated with legal structure, right?
Exactly.
And so let's clear that water up a little bit. LLC, limited liability company, right,
Hmm.
is a pass-through entity. S corp is the same thing. So what does that mean, pass-through entity? That just is a complex way of saying all of the taxation on the revenue boils down to me as an individual or these this set of individuals that are ownership, right?
Hmm. Okay.
As people. So a C corp has its own tax structure or its own tax rates, right, as
Hmm.
an entity versus the S corp and the LLC election having really it just passes through down to the individuals that own that company. And so
Okay.
um but let's clear the air a little bit. The LLC as a structure, right, as an entity, that's a legal structure, but the tax election can be S corp or C corp, right? So
Mm.
the way that that entity, that LLC, is taxed depends on your election. It can remain just an LLC, and you'll file as an LLC, pass through, or an S corp or a C corp. So that's the tax status, right, or the tax
Yeah.
filing, tax classification of that entity. All three of those entity types have a legal structure to them as well. Limited liability company, right, which indicates to us its main legal benefit, which is to separate ourselves as individuals from the liability, both financial and otherwise, of the business itself, right? So
Yes.
that's the legal structure that is the same, really across all three, right?
Okay.